St. Louis was founded in 1764 by French fur traders Pierre Lasside and Auguste Chateau. The settlement was established along the western bank of the Mississippi River as a fur trading post. The founders named the settlement after King Louis IX of France, and it soon became a vital center for the fur trade in North America. With its strategic location, St. Louis grew over the years, evolving into a gateway for westward expansion, a hub for river transportation, and a melting pot of cultures. Our first stop is, of course, the Gateway Arch. Completed in 1965, this stunning stainless steel monument stands at a height of 730 feet tall and is renowned as the world's tallest arch. Designed by architect Eero Saarinen, the arch represents the westward expansion of the United States and commemorates St. Louis's pivotal role as the gateway to the West during the 19th century. The Gateway Arch has become a symbol of American ingenuity and a popular tourist destination, drawing millions of visitors each year to explore its history, design, and the surrounding Jefferson National Expansion Memorial Grounds. Visitors can take a tram ride to the top of the arch, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the Mississippi River and the city. Right next to the arch is the old Courthouse. Constructed in the early 19th century, this architectural gem is renowned for its elegant Greek Revival design, featuring grand columns and a distinctive dome. The old courthouse played a pivotal role in American history, serving as the backdrop for the infamous Dred Scott trials in the 1850s, a case that profoundly influenced the nation's debate over slavery. Today it stands as a museum and historic site, offering visitors a glimpse into the legal and cultural heritage of St. Louis and the United States. If you enjoyed the footage on this video and on our channel, our best video clips are now available for purchase on our Pond 5 store. You can now get very high quality aerial clips for as low as $25. In addition, if you use our links in the description box, you can get as much as 10 to 20% off your purchase. Now, let's get back to the tour. Next, we'll be looking at a couple of St. Louis's cultural buildings. Ahead is the City Museum, one of the most unique museums in the country. This remarkable institution, founded by artist Bob Casilli, offers a unique blend of art, architecture, and interactive experiences. Housed in a former shoe factory, the City Museum features a maze of tunnels, slides, and climbing structures made from salvaged materials, creating an immersive and adventurous playground for visitors of all ages. It's a place where art and imagination converge, with a collection that includes sculptures, architectural installations, and even a school bus perched on the building's roof. The museum encourages exploration, creativity, and hands-on learning, making it a beloved destination for both locals and tourists. Our next stop is Union Station. This historic transportation hub has been a focal point of the city since its completion in 1894. Designed by architect Theodore C. Link, this majestic structure is a testament to the bygone era of rail travel. With its stunning Romanesque architecture, a soaring grand hall with a gold leaf ceiling and a massive clock tower, Union Station evokes a sense of nostalgia and grandeur. In its heyday, it was one of the busiest train stations in the United States, serving as a gateway to the American West. Today, it has been restored and transformed into a multi-use complex featuring a luxury hotel, shopping, dining, and entertainment options. The next portion of the tour is about St. Louis's unique sports culture. We begin our tour at the Dome at America Center Stadium, formerly known as Edward Jones Dome. This stadium has a complex history, due in large part to the arrival and departure of the St. Louis Rams. The stadium played a pivotal role in the city's sports scene when it became the Rams' home in 1995, following their relocation from Los Angeles. Over the years, the Dome witnessed several thrilling football seasons and were at one point known as the greatest show on turf. The Rams would win the Super Bowl in 2000. However, the relationship between the team and the stadium soured, and in 2016 the Rams departed back to Los Angeles, marking the end of an era in St. Louis sports. Today, the stadium is now primarily used for conventions and other events, but remains a symbol of the city's football legacy. A quick look at the Enterprise Center. It is the home of the St. Louis Blues, the city's NHL team. In 2019, the St. Louis Blues won their first and only Stanley Cup, the only championship the city has seen since the Rams moved. Next is the absolute crown jewel of St. Louis sports, Busch Stadium. This esteemed sports venue serves as the home of the St. Louis Cardinals, one of the MLB's most storied franchises. The Cardinals have won a whopping 11 World Series titles. Busch Stadium opened in 2006. It embodies a modern yet timeless design with its iconic red brick facade and spectacular views of the city's skyline and the Gateway Arch. Cardinal fans are known for their unwavering loyalty, flock to Busch Stadium to cheer on their team and bask in the city's rich traditions of Cardinals baseball. That has breathed new life into the area. Right next door is Ballpark Village, which is a vibrant dining, entertainment, and retail district. It's the perfect destination for pregame gatherings and postgame celebrations, offering a range of restaurants, bars, and live entertainment options. Speaking of Busch, our next stop is the Anheuser-Busch Brewery. This iconic institution is deeply intertwined with the city's history and culture. Established in the mid-19th century, it is renowned as one of the largest and oldest beer-producing facilities in the United States. The brewery, which produces world-famous beers like Budweiser, has not only been a cornerstone of the American brewing industry, but has also left a strong mark on the St. Louis community. Visitors can explore the rich heritage of brewing at the brewery through informative tours and tastings, gaining insight into the beer-making process while admiring the historic architecture. The Anheuser-Busch Brewery stands as a testament to the enduring tradition of American brewing, a source of pride for St. Louis, and a place where beer enthusiasts and history buffs alike can savor the legacy of a brewing giant. The brewery is located in the Soulard, a historic neighborhood in St. Louis that exudes charm and character. Named after Antoine Soulard, a French surveyor who once owned the land, this vibrant district is famous for its bustling market, one of the oldest farmers markets in the United States. The Soulard streets come alive with an eclectic mix of restaurants, bars, and music venues, making it a popular destination for those seeking a taste of St. Louis' unique and cultural vibrant nightlife. With a lively atmosphere, historic appeal, and a strong sense of community, Soulard embodies the spirit of St. Louis in a truly distinctive way. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to be a part of future aerial tours. Make sure to tip your tour guide by hitting the like button. Thank you for flying with Airworthy Tours, and I look forward to seeing you on our next flight.